hindi ako naging selfish dati, masaya pa rin kami ngayon. Masaya kami eh. Tama na sana eh. Kaso, may mga bagay lang talaga na hindi nagtatagal. Kasalanan ko? Oo. Kasi nung nasa akin ka, hindi kita pinahalagahan. When love is too much, sometimes it has to end. Pero bakit kailangan ikaw? Bakit kailangan tayo?
Parang kahapon lang tuwang-tuwa ako kapag nakikita kita. Ngayon, masaya naman pero iba na. Masaya na ako sa buhay ko ngayon, kahit wala ka na.
It was worth the try, so I can decide. From waves overgrown come the calm.
Tama lang pala yung decision ko dati. To love and to be loved. It takes heart to forgive. But I love you.
Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blind.